Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of April 29th, 2024, Part 2. This week's theme is Wishes. Little Mole's Wish by Sang-Keun. On the day the first snow came, Little Mole was headed home by himself. He came across a small snowball. "Hi," he said, greeting the snowball with his nose. "Can I tell you something?" whispered Little Mole. "I just moved here. I don't have any friends." The snowball listened quietly. "We're going to take the bus," said Little Mole. "That's how we get home. It's going to be so much fun." He and his friend waited patiently. Along came Mr. Bear's bus. "Hey, kid, you can't bring a snowball on here." "But this is my friend," said Little Mole. "Your friend? Snow is just snow. It'll melt." Mr. Bear drove off. Little Mole had a brilliant idea. He and his friend waited patiently. Along came Mr. Fox's bus. "Hey, kid, you can't bring a snowball on here." "But this is a bear," said Little Mole. "A bear? That big lump of snow?" Mr. Fox drove off. Little Mole had a brilliant idea. He and his friend waited patiently. Night fell. "Look, a shooting star!" exclaimed Little Mole. "Grandma says a shooting star makes your wish come true. I hope my wish comes true." "Are you cold? Here, you can wear my hat." "I'm sure the bus will be here soon." Along came Mr. Deer's bus. "Look at you two. You must be freezing. Hop on, you'll catch a cold." It was so cozy and warm on the bus, Little Mole grew sleepy. When Little Mole woke up, he was all alone. "Mr. Deer, have you seen my friend?" "I think he already got off," said Mr. Deer kindly. "You should really hurry home. Your family must be worried." "I didn't even get to say goodbye," Little Mole thought. He trudged home slowly. "There you are, little one. You're frozen solid." Grandma folded Little Mole into a warm embrace. As always, she listened quietly as Little Mole told her about his day. "I wish I could help," she said. That night, Little Mole couldn't fall asleep. Where did my friend go? The next morning, Little Mole heard Grandma calling. "Little one, come look. You have a special visitor." The end. We're going to make a marble painted star. And what you need is your craft to go kit and some sort of tray. This is just from Dollar Tree. You can see there's paint inside. I've used it before for other things. What we're going to do is I'm going to tape this on the back and put it in the tray so that it doesn't slide around too much. Put one on each of the star's arms. Probably overkill, but okay, now the star lays flat. And your craft to go kit also includes marbles. There's 3 of them in there. You see they roll nicely in there. And all you'll need now is some paint. I've got blue, I have yellow, and I have red, all the primary colors. You can use whatever colors you want. And just put a little dab of paint, each color that you want to use on the star. And a little bit of red. The red's not open. Sorry about that. Now it's open. All you're gonna do is take your marbles and your tray and roll the marbles through the paint. It'll take a little longer at first because the paint's nice and thick, but as you roll them through, the paint will thin out. And do it as much as you want. You can get as much color, as little color as you want on your star. Every time you do this, it'll look different because they'll roll differently. But that's all you do. I'm going to go ahead and finish this and show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm all done. I'm going to carefully lift this off. Take off the tape. And here's my star. That's what it looks like.